Guys, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. Here on this channel we teach different tutorials on how to make money online, introduce useful tools for working boys, share crypto flash and update method and much more. Kindly join my Telegram and WhatsApp channel for more updates, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be among the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. With that being said, let's move on to today's video. In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can flash USDT, Ethereum, and other crypto on crypto.com Onchain Wallet. Previously, the link we are using for the crypto.com Onchain is no more functioning. Like, there's upgrade on the site. So if you need a new tutorial, kindly DM for the tutorial. You see my video on it. This is my video on it. This video here. There I already dropped like 3 videos on this Onchain Wallet. So if you haven't watched it, you can go and watch it. I'll just do a summary of how it works now. So if you need the full details, kindly DM. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you head over to the site. So you already know the site. If you have it, if you don't have it, kindly DM for the site. So once you're on this site, so if you are trying to create accounts on this site, you will not see some features because the site has been upgraded. So for those of you that has old accounts on this platform, you can easily use this platform with the features I'm about to show you guys. So let me show you guys something. So this is where you can choose. You first choose the network you want to create the testnet. We have Ethereum. This Ethereum is mainnet, Polygon. You have different network so but for the purpose of this video, we choose on mainnet. So we are going to mainnet. Then you can choose anyone here. Just choose anyone here. So once you are on this page now, so just make sure you select this thing first. The mainnet is already set as default, so just select the thing I say you select. Then come to this place, click on create vnet. So once you click on create vnet, then you see this place now. You can decide to change your name. Let me write on BJ Tech. So BJ Tech. Then you scroll down. You scroll down. You can change this custom. Can change it to network default. Then the chain ID can be 1. Can change it to 1. So then we scroll down. Grab. You won't set anything again. So you leave it like that. Then you click on create virtual testnet. So this is the main important part here. So once you create your virtual testnet, the only thing we need here is the admin RPC. So we go to our Onchain Wallet. So let's go to our Onchain Wallet. So if you are on this Onchain Wallet like this now, okay, let me create new wallet so that it will be fresh. Add new wallet, create new wallet, continue. So this is new wallet like this. So on this your interface now, what you do, click on settings. Because we are on this interface now, you click on settings at the right corner. Then you scroll down, you click on network and RPC. You already know what to do. Then you scroll, you look for Ethereum because the mainnet is on Ethereum network. So once you click on Ethereum, you click on add custom node. This is where we'll be putting our RPC. So we head over to the site, then copy the admin RPC. Then you come here, you paste. Once you paste, you click on done. Then we confirm it. So once you confirm it, you see this green check mark. Make sure you put it to the link you add. So if you not put it on that link you added, just note the thing will not reflect. So I'll put it. Then once you put it, you go back. So we are done like this. This is the only thing. So if you want to flash now. Start see you already finished what you want to do. So if you want to flash now, maybe you want to flash your client because this thing is in Ethereum. This thing is Ethereum, is mainnet, which is on Ethereum network. So you click on the receive, then you copy Ethereum wallet address. You go back to the site to fund. So let's go to the site and fund. So you click on fund. So once you're on this side like this, you can see it. You can zoom in, zoom out. So in this place, you select your token. So token you want to file is Ethereum, Ether. So just calm down. You zoom. Let me select this thing again. You select this. You see it now, Ethereum on minute. So the wallet address, I'll paste it. Stand. Then I will add the wallet address. So this place now I'll be flashing. Let's not say one Ethereum. One Ethereum is about that client $4,000. So let's flash like 10 or 15 Ethereum. Stands 15 Ethereum is, so you should know what. So I'll just do, okay, let me see 150 Ethereum. So then click on fund. So you have fund the thing successfully. As you can see, account successfully funded. So you go to the this thing to refresh to check if we have received it. So let's refresh. Can see it now. Can see 150 Ethereum. Can see the 150 Ethereum is equivalent to $285,000 plus a stand. So that is the. So if you want to flash your this thing, if you want to flash Ethereum on USDT on Ethereum network, you stand. There's USDT on Ethereum network, which is USDT ERC20. So all you have to do is very simple. So as you can't find this thing here, we'll just go to our manage, click on manage, scroll down. Once you click on manage, so just click on this search bar here, search for Theta. So because Theta is still same name as USDT. So let's wait, the network is bad. So you should know the logo of Ethereum. So this is the one we just enable. So once we enable it, we can go back. So we can go back. It's already added on the main this thing here. So we just click it, then click on receive. So now we go back to the site. So we found Ethereum before. Now we're funding USDT. Everything is on mainnet. So all you need to do is just search for the USDT here, the particular USDT. So let's go like this. You can see USDT on mainnet. You can see the logo at down. Then paste the wallet address. So this one now is USDT. So USDT now be flashing like let's flash like USDT is $1. It's just dollar rate. So let's like flash like 800, like 800,000 of USDT. Then click on fund. So you can see we have funded it successfully. So it's very sharp. This update, this one will be trust wallet. This thing that will be removing anyhow, that will just disappear anyhow. You stand. So this is a sharp crypto flashing method. You can flash your client from this place, or you flash your client from the site, and you don't need any coin, any BNB or any coin to fund. Stand. Just do the little settings. So if you want to flash your client now, so let's create another wallet. So you can see now the money we flash. You can see 800,000 of USDT. So that is that. There are many coins on this mainnet. There are many coins. So you just search and flash yourself. So I don't want this video to be long. So let me create another wallet to send out. Let's see. So if you need this full tutorial of this video, you can DM me. That is that on that. So I've created new wallet. This is my new wallet, so that you guys will see how we can flash from the wallet to another wallet. You should know that this is working for Onchain Wallet only. So if you are flashing your client, you need to tell your client to add the particular link, that RPC link you added on your own. You need to tell your client to add it. Just tell your client that you should configure the wallet. So it's simple logic that you tell your client. So this is the, I'll copy the admin RPC again. So but it's already added because I'm still on the same wallet. So I'm telling you how you tell your client. So just tell your client to go settings, then tell him to add the network and RPC. Very easy. Then you should go to Ethereum. You should click on Ethereum. So they won't allow me to add it again because it's already here. Because I'm still using the same device. So that is why it's still here. So you see what I'm talking about. So you can see now. Let me click on done. So you can see it's already here already. So the thing. So once you add it, make sure your client put the check mark on that particular link you added. So that is that on that. So and if you want to flash your client directly, so you can tell your client to give you wallet address. Just click on receive. So I'll be flashing from, you can either flash from the site or from the wallet. So let me flash from the wallet to see. So I'll go to the number 5 wallet that I created. Then click on the Ethereum. Let's send this down. So I'll paste it. Then click on next. So I'll transfer like two Ethereum. So let's send it out. This update is very sharp and stuff. So because it doesn't need any stress to do. So we just confirm it. You can see. So it's pending. So you can screenshot this thing that you already make the payment, and you can send the payment proof to your client that you already made the payment. You should check. So just go to back to the wallet 6. You can see now, very sharp. You see, very sharp update. So that is that on this on-chain crypto flashing. So if you need the full details, full tutorial, kindly DM me. It's available. And this video is for educational purpose. Do not use it for illegal purpose. So see you next in my next video. Bye, guys.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.